Day 7 of the East Coast Greenway. Sambo and I stopped at Wawa to get a breakfast burrito. I ate the egg and the salsa. He ate the steak because he don't like eggs or burrito. So we started out in North Jupiter Beach near the state park, and then we're going to head to Vero Beach. I've got a hotel reservation at Vero Beach tonight, and then tomorrow, Sunday, we'll be camping at a state park. Where is that? Up in Melbourne, Florida. So it'll be about 45 miles a day. I think one day is 50 days. The second Sunday is 50 days, 50 miles a day. 45 miles, 50 miles a day is what I'm trying to average. Because my bike's loaded pretty heavy, and pulling Sambo in his wagon is wearing me out. Good morning, day 8. Coming to you from the Econo Lodge in Vero Beach, Florida. I've yet to depart because I'm waiting on a battery to finish charging, but we're going to get out of here soon. Sambo is buried over there in the covers. Sambo, there he is. I didn't film much footage yesterday on day 7 because it was all highway riding. US Highway 1 on the east coast of Florida, which happens to be, it goes alongside the Brightline train tracks almost all the way yesterday. So I got some footage of the Brightline train going by. That's about all I got footage of, because the rest was just car dealership after tractor dealership after camper dealership after strip mall after fast food restaurant. I mean, that's all it was yesterday. And today is going to be a little bit more the same, but I will be going out onto the, out closer to the ocean today. Hopefully there won't be too strong of a headwind, because when you do get close to the ocean, it seems like I'm battling headwinds, which is great scenery, but it sucks for trying to pedal against it. But we're going to Melbourne, Florida today. Should be about 50 miles. We started out the day by crossing over the Intercoastal Waterway from Vero Beach to Indian River Shores. So we ended the day in Wickman State Park in Melbourne, Florida. There's Sambo under the picnic table trying to get some shade. Here's our camp set up. I got a tent, a big Agnes tent from REI. Has a porch on it. I was hoping that would help in case I ever got stuck in a rainstorm. I could bring my bike in and the trailer under cover, and that way I could get to all my camping gear, pack it and unpack it off the bike, you know, in the event of a rainstorm. It also works pretty good as for shade when the sun's blazing hot. Got me a little foldable chair, and it's got an inner tent to sleep in. So it works out pretty good. Got some cooking gear and food, dehydrated food, and that kind, you know, the usual camping stuff. Just a state park. Sorry for my camera work here, but yeah, just a state park. We spent the night here. It's the beginning of day 9. We haven't left yet. We were waiting for our batteries to charge. It's always a thing. It takes like 16 hours to charge both batteries. And I've only got one charger, so it's a problem. But luckily I got 2 batteries, so that helps me get through the day with all the weight loaded on my bike. All right. Well, we'll see you on the road.